Hi, my name is Palak Patel, and today I'm making spiced cheese puffs, a quick and easy recipe that you can serve to your guest for the holiday season. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is grate some cheese. The dough for this recipe is really easy. It's a classic pâte à choux dough. Put equal parts of water, a little bit of sugar, a pinch of salt, just eyeball it. To the boiling water, we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of butter. Make sure they're completely melted. The butter is really important in this recipe because when it mixes with the flour, it helps them really puff and become super light. Once the butter's melted, you're gonna add the flour in and just stir vigorously to make sure that it all incorporates. And this is the consistency that you're looking for. It's really smooth. And now we're ready for the eggs. I'm gonna crack 1 egg. You're gonna stir it until all of the egg is incorporated. So that's 2 eggs that just went into the dough. It's gonna become really sticky, and now the best part is cheese. You can actually use any kind of cheese that you want in here, and if you wanna add bacon, you can also add bacon. Once the cheese goes in there and they bake, it's gonna become really crispy and golden brown. It's from the milk fat of the cheese that's gonna make it crispy. Okay, now it's time to get our dough into a pastry bag. If you don't have a pastry bag, you can use any resealable plastic bag. So you want to pipe them to about the size of a quarter. You want to space them out because these will double in size. And now I want to put the spice mixture on top. The first thing I want to do is get these little peaks. So you want to dip your finger in water and just kind of take the tips away. The next thing, once we've patted this down, is to do an egg wash. I have half a yolk and some water. This is gonna get them really nice and golden brown on the top. So the spice mix, which really actually smells like a New York City everything bagel, has a mix of sesame seeds, poppy seeds, flaky sea salt, nigella seeds, and some dried onion bits. All right, now I'm gonna bake my puffs. The cheese puffs remind me of San Francisco because the wine and cheese culture is so huge that I got to experiment with so many different types of cheeses.